The woven spiderweb stitch is a decorative stitch that works great for flowers, wheels, etc. To create the woven spiderweb stitch, begin by stitching the spokes on your circle from the top of each spoke to the center. Up at the top, and down through the same hole in the center. Your circle must always have an odd number of spokes, otherwise the stitch won't work. For this example, we have 9 spokes. Once you have finished stitching each spoke, bring your needle up between 2 of the spokes as close to the center as you can get and pull your thread through. Next, you will need to weave your needle and thread over and under each spoke to fill in the circle. Over, under, over, under, and over, under. As you move around, you can start to gently pull your woven threads so that the rings you are creating start to tighten around each other. And continue this pattern, weaving over and under each spoke to finish the woven spiderweb stitch. Patience is the best advice I can give you for this stitch. I know I just sped up this video to get to the end, but if you go too fast and miss a spoke while you are weaving, it will definitely show and it won't look as nice when it's all finished. It's also important to get your tension right. If you pull too hard, especially when you get to the outer circumference of your woven spiderweb stitch, you can pull some of your circles out of place. All your thread will bunch in on one another and it will ruin the shape completely. Unfortunately, it is not easy to undo and you may have to start from the top to fix it. I've definitely had to start from the beginning on some of these because I pulled my thread too hard. You want each layer of your circle to nicely lay on the outside of each other. As I'm weaving, you can see that I use my finger or sometimes needle to help nudge the threads to lay nicely around each other. In the end, you want the circle to feel full to the outer edge. When you're done weaving, finish by bringing your needle down at the end of one of your spokes, and that's the woven spiderweb stitch. You can either tie a knot in the back of your fabric or weave your thread back and forth through the back of your stitches to secure your thread. For more stitch tutorials, please click to subscribe to my channel and visit embroideryandsage.com for fun, modern DIY embroidery kits that you can make at home. Happy stitching!